Today, we're exploring the life of one of Sicily's most influential rulers, Frederick II, the Holy Roman Emperor and King of Sicily. Known as Stupor Mundi, or Wonder of the World, Frederick ruled in the 13th century and left an indelible mark on European history. Let's dive into his fascinating life. Frederick was born in 1194 to Emperor Henry VI and Constance of Sicily. At the young age of 3, he inherited the Sicilian throne after his father's death. Despite being a child king, Frederick's reign would shape the island's history for centuries to come. As king, Frederick made Sicily a center of learning, culture, and innovation. He founded the University of Naples in 1224, one of the world's first public universities, and created a multicultural court where scholars from across Europe, the Middle East, and North Africa exchanged ideas. Frederick II was also a remarkable legal reformer. In 1231, he introduced the Constitutions of Melfi, a set of laws that centralized power, reduced the influence of the nobility, and promoted justice for all citizens, groundbreaking reforms for the time. Frederick's power and ambition often put him at odds with the church. He was excommunicated multiple times and engaged in bitter conflicts with the papacy, who viewed his dominance in Italy as a threat. Despite this, Frederick led the Sixth Crusade in 1228, negotiating a peaceful handover of Jerusalem to Christian hands without any bloodshed, a rare achievement in Crusader history. Though his diplomatic success was impressive, it further strained his relationship with the church. Frederick II's legacy endures not only in Sicily, but throughout Europe. His vision of a multicultural, advanced society and his contributions to law, education, and science continue to influence Western civilization to this day. Known as the Wonder of the World, Frederick II left an unmatched legacy of intellect and ambition. That's a brief look into the life of Frederick II of Sicily, a king, an emperor, and a visionary who shaped the island we know today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on Sicilian history and culture.